Hey, what's up, guys? So today what I want to do is on the 67 I bought, I want to put some wheels on it so I can get off the trailer. And I have this 68 that is still a 6 lug, and get these wheels off of this one and putting them on the 67. But it might be a challenge because these wheels are like really stuck. I went on there and put some WD-40 to get them off, so hopefully they come off and it's not so hard to put them on this one, because I know over here in the back on the drum's sticking out, so I might have to lift the truck up and bang it with maybe with this, or I gotta look for a hammer so the wheels can sit on there and I can tighten them up. Alright, so I gotta cross my fingers that they come off, they don't break. Alright, I'm gonna just loosen them up. Alright. Alright, so that's good. They're all coming off. Just gotta lift it, take them off. I don't have any brakes here, but I'm gonna have to let this truck lay on the ground. So that went pretty easy on that side. I'm gonna have to do them for all 4 of them. Let's see if I can get the jack out. So I'm gonna have to sit on the floor. Alright, so it worked out. So I went ahead and took off that front one too. It's going to be a little bit tricky over here in the back. I got to figure out where I'm going to put the jack. Alright, so I found a cinder block. Put this here. It might work. Let's see. I gotta do it quick. Alright, there goes that one. I gotta take this one out. Alright, so it worked. I was able to take off the wheels. Now I just gotta put them on this one and try to roll it out the trailer. You see how the little stud, it's not really sticking out so much. I think the drum is just pushed out, so I'm gonna have to push it back in. Now I just gotta lift this truck real quick. I have to find a good spot for this one too. So now it's a little bit elevated. I'm gonna try to just hit this, get it into position.
let that sit in.
It's called Freol. It's supposed to
Eat some of that rust, make everything slide in better. So alright, this one's good.
Alright, that's good. Gotta loosen up the front. Do the front ones. I don't even loosen all the way up. That way the truck don't roll off the trailer like that.
This one was a lot easier.
So this side is gonna be the same thing. Pretty much just lift it up, put the wheel on, and that should be done. We got the ramps ready. I just gotta see if I can unload it.
Dale. Dale. Ya mero, ya mero.
¿Ah? Espérate, ahorita la llanta. Ahí. Ahí está bien. No hay lo está protegido.
Dale.
¡Dale! ¡Dale!
Ya mero. Ya mero, ya mero.
El pasto, güey. Tiraste mal la llanta. Ahí.
Espérate, es que luego se dobla otra vez para atrás. Se le para atrás y otra vez.
Dale, pues, un poquillo para atrás, güey. Así. Dale para adelante, despacillo.
Yo creo que cuando le da para atrás y le deja jalón así con madre, así. Dale el jalón para adelante con madre. Písale para adelante así con madre. Dale para adelante. Así, dale así. Este no es que andar patinando ya.
Ya, no te quieren entrar la llanta otra vez.
Esto voy a leer.
Alright, so there it is. The truck's unloaded. The front wheels are stuck, so it made everything harder. Then we got the flat tire in the back. But as you can see, it's a complete truck. Mine is a drivetrain. We got the seat, brand new seat right here.
Got the memory foam on the seat.
So we got that stereo.
Got the grill trim pieces.
Got the gas tank in there.
I have to come and clean it up. Remove all this trash from here. Need to get some hood hinges on it. I might take them off my 68. If not, I might just try to go to a swap meet and pick them up there.
There it is.